What's going on, everybody? It's your girl SnkrMom back in the building, back with another review for you guys. Today we're going to be reviewing the new women's Jordan 1 Elevate Low SE. Let's get into it. First, you got this new nice Nike box they got for women's. You got your black and red top with your red Nike going on symbol. Then you got the side of the box that got your black with your red Jordan wing. And then we're gonna get to the bottom of the box. They got is just all red with your different Nike ingredients. And then on the front of the box it reads Women's Air Jordan 1 Elevate Low SE. Size 7.5. Let's get into it. Gonna open it up, and we got this nice white tissue paper that has Nike and all the Jordan symbols on the tissue paper, which is pretty different from the traditional Air Jordan 1 lows for women's. It's usually just plain white tissue paper, but this one has different Jordan symbols and Nike symbols on it. Inside the box pretty much is the same, just brown inside the box, nothing different. Let's get into the main point of the video, and which is the shoe. The women's Air Jordan Low Elevate. Alright, let's start it off. This shoe, let's say, hey, it's different. As we can see, this big, thick bottom sole that we got on the bottom of the shoe, which is very different from all the traditional Jordan 1 lows. Usually they just have a regular midsole, but this one is thick rubber midsole. It's very comfortable, I can tell you that, because I actually wore them already. But yeah, it feels like it's just like a bunch of foam in there. Like it's giving you added height, as we can see, kind of high. You know, I mean, it's different. That's why I like them. But it might not be for everybody. But I like the heightness of it. It just makes the shoe look different. Okay, let's get into it. You got this nice white rubber going around the bottom of the shoe, bottom midsole. Bottom of the shoe is all red with your white also on the bottom of the shoe. Also, we're gonna get back to the top of the shoe. They got your premium, because this is some very nice leather. Premium black leather going around the toe box of the shoe. And the top of the toe box is a red leather. You got your red shoestrings that come with the shoe. The top of the tongue is like, it doesn't say anything, but it's like a pushed out like box, which would have said Nike like they normally do, but I guess they're trying to be different. So it's just like an all leather square right there that's got a little push to it. We're gonna get to the back of the shoe. They got the little Jordan wings, but you don't see the actual Air Jordan like it normally says. So that's a different touch they put on the shoe. I like the way it looks. It's just, you know what's supposed to be there. So it's like all they did was just put it right there. And it's like, okay, it's different. I'm gonna rock with it. It's something that, you know, different for the ladies. Here you got this little Jordan symbol right here on the bottom of the shoe. That's just, I guess, a different touch they put on it. But then let's get into this inside, which is very nice, because you got this cork inside with Jordan looking like he was about to shoot a layup, which is very nice touch to the shoe. You got your Nike Air on the inside, and then you got your little, I would say it's like a suede cream looking color right here on the back of the heel, which is a nice touch to the shoe. I can say that these shoes are very comfortable. I actually wore them already, and they are very, very comfortable. I like them. I mean, nobody really went for these. I guess they was like, they don't like how these look, but just because they were different, I knew I had to have them, and I just liked the way they looked. So we rocked with these, and yeah, that's what the inside of the shoe looked like. And then you also got your black leather going around the ankle part of the shoe. This is the right shoe, so let's get to the left shoe that looks the same exact way. You got your thick rubber bottom going around. It's in all creamish white color. You got your black leather going around the shoe, along with your red toe box with your red shoestrings. The inside there still has Nike Air with Jordan on the inside. Then you got your black tongue with the where it would have said Nike Air. You know what it means, but it's just showing like it's there, but it's really not. Then you got the back of the shoe. They got the Air Jordan wings. That's just the wings with the little red stitching going around it. And then you got your Air Jordan symbol right here. And then, yeah, of course, like I said, the bottom of the shoe is all red with your white right here. These came with the red shoestrings, but they also came with some black shoestrings, which was a nice touch to the shoe. I went with red laces, but of course, you know you could throw black laces in and it'd be just fine in these shoes. But the kicker to the shoe is it came with an anklet, which was different. You never see that. This was a very nice touch to the shoe. It came with a gold anklet that has the Jordan. Uh-oh, can y'all see that? My fault, wrong way. It got an Air Jordan symbol on the end of it. This was a very nice touch for the shoe. I actually wore this when I put on the shoes, and it just brought the shoes out even more. And it came in this little thing right here. It got the little Air Jordan, and it tells all the different specs of the shoe, inside the shoe, which part, what everything means on the inside of the shoe. Hope y'all can see that. The back of it is just black. But yeah, these right here was just a nice touch. And like I said, I love the inside of the shoe because it has a very nice cushion. The thickness, I guess, is what they did to make it feel extra cushiony. So it's got a very nice cushion to the shoe. These shoes overall was just nice. I mean, they're Air Jordan 1 for women. And of course, you know, they threw that little thick sole, which is a different touch, I guess, for the women, because quite sure no men wear these. But if they do, hey, to each his own. But I can see these right here was just like a nice shoe for women. I can't complain about them. I like them. I went for them. They retail for $140. They came out, I think they came out like a week ago. They came out on Nike sneakers, and I got them off of there. And yeah, this was just a nice shoe. Y'all let me know what y'all think about this. The Air Jordan, women's Air Jordan 1 Elevate Low SE. Y'all let me know down in the comments below what y'all think about these. Would y'all have went for these, or what laces would you go with? Would you go with the red laces that they come with? Or would you throw in the black laces? I mean, either way, it's a red colorway, so you just can't go wrong with this colorway. It's just a nice shoe, period. I just like them. Y'all let me know down in the comments below what y'all think about these shoes. Did you go for them, or did you pass like a lot of people did? But yeah, that's what I got for y'all today. That was the Air Jordan 1 Low Elevate women's shoe. Continue to like and subscribe. Continue to throw your comments on down there. I continue to answer all your comments. Follow me on Instagram at SnkrMom1721. That's where I throw my fits on with my kicks. Y'all can ask questions on there. Like me, give me some likes on there, some thumbs up. Tell me how you think my fit look. And yeah, that's all I got for y'all today. So until the next time, it's your girl SnkrMom. Peace.